Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and spray your pan. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make the nachos. We're going to go over these right now. Half a cup of oats, 2/3 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now please be mindful of the peanut butter you use. The sugar-free ones contain xylitol. That can be extremely toxic for dogs. I use Teddy personally. And 1/4 cup of water or a broth of your choice. And give it a good mix. Now make the dough into a ball. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your countertop. Now start rolling out your ball of dough. Get the dough rolled out as thin as possible. Go ahead and cut the dough into little triangles or use a cookie cutter of your choice. Now let these nachos cook for about 10 minutes. Now go ahead and let these cool down for a little bit, and we'll be right back with a word from our sponsors. Now go ahead and add your favorite dog-friendly toppings such as boiled chicken, hamburger, or even your favorite dog food. And just like that, Tango is ready for the Super Bowl. Thank you all for tuning in. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe for more of the same, and let me know in the comments if you're going to be watching the Super Bowl tomorrow.